Kamci bentai yang World Donor Day, kejuai Blood Bank Center, haka kat sotrik de pungkup burom go ye gojo snaam sñiawbha, haka ye langwa de penman ha conference hall kani ketau. De pungkup burom kyrpang yo special son turnia, ure snaam la arhosan sien, socially kamar wa 1 mil lalu ki ure snaam march pau sien semen. Ke district level World Blood Donor Day de penman de kejuai Civil Hospital Blood Center, hadrong ngepang give blood, give plasma, share life, share. Dia kemat cimentai gigentian kular da Assistant Commissioner Wan Krau Kupar Kharbuli, hai emlang Medical Superintendent ke District Civil Hospital Yelong, ke Dr. Wyrta Porman, ke In Charge Joai Civil Hospital Blood Center ke Dr. Pishala, kiwa krek wa kiwi-kiwi. Kharbuli hau klam do ong wa kani kesngi de kon moya ka manusnem, wa pesnyau tok pai ba adrong IMK mo snaam sñiawbha, wa yo penyo ye burom ye sñiaw ngo ye wan chkmar o snaam, yo rapan im ya kiwi-kibru. De banjor ule wa mtau iminsen wa violati ye ide hawa snaam sñiawbha. De pencelur juga beruwa chat wa klan ido ipran wa wan ke japrang wa snaam sñiawbha. De pesnyau ule ye sñiaw ngo ye woro gitu wa snaam hadooh arhosan sen wa jpau sen ye mantistag ye inikam wa mkambha ya wirap ye kiwi. Hakni kesngi de peman la ye snaam sñiawbha ya wir peman de Kemekelia Cricket Association Waga West Janjia Hills District Cricket Association, Dewa Yakrek Lam Waga Blood Bank Civil Hospital, Hewad Sangut kepada Islam.
By donating blood, we can help others, especially those who are in need of blood, those who are sick, those who are in hospital and care centers who really need blood. I'll tell you one story. In fact, it's an experience that I've had because before I was in Delhi for quite some time, for a few years, when I was in Delhi, we, among the tribals, especially the Khasi Janjia tribals, we are well connected. We do communicate, we do meet often. So, in fact, we do have a forum over there where we get together and talk about the issues that the tribal community faced in Delhi. And one thing that I've encountered from time to time is like we do, especially in our WhatsApp groups, we do get messages that we have those patients who come to hospitals in Delhi where they require blood. So in such instances, a few of our friends, they do come forward voluntarily to go and help. So that is an experience that I've had, and I do acknowledge the fact that without the wholeheartedness of these few people, without their kindness, without expecting anything in return, they come forward voluntarily to donate blood. So before I end my speech, I would singly thanks the individuals and especially the voluntary blood donors, the groups, the representatives of these groups. I would thank them individually. Because why? Because they have shown an example to others. Like it has been mentioned by one of the earlier speaker, Bak Socially Kamar, where he mentioned that people give many excuses when people they go and try to ask for help to get blood. They give many excuses that they are going to fall sick, they are going to have some problem, this and that. But he himself he has shown an example. In fact, he has donated 10 times. And even the other individual also who could not come here, he has donated 24 times to the blood bank. So, I can thank them individually. And apart from that, I would also encourage others who are healthy enough to come forward, because their contribution, it will ensure and it will also help those who are in need. And also we should remember that this year, if you go by the theme, give blood, give plasma, share life, share often. So if we go by the message of this theme, the thing that we can learn from here is that the voluntary and continuous blood donation, it is going to ensure a sustainable supply of blood, which is really indeed required, so that those who are in need of help, they can be helped immediately. And lastly, I would even suggest the district health machinery through the district medical health officer, as well as in charge of this Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center, and even the in charge of Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong. I would humbly suggest them to take those activities which would encourage greater participation of people to come forward towards voluntary donation of blood.